Plato's The Symposium is a philosophical dialogue set at a banquet in Athens, where a group of men, including Socrates, Aristophanes, and Alcibiades, engage in a deep discussion about the nature of love, eros. The conversation unfolds as each guest delivers a speech, presenting different perspectives on love, from physical attraction to divine inspiration. Phaedrus begins by emphasizing love as a great motivator for noble deeds, while Pausanias distinguishes between common love, driven by lust, and heavenly love, rooted in intellectual and emotional connection. Next, Eryximachus, a physician, expands on love's role in harmony and health, suggesting that love is a universal force governing nature and human relationships. Aristophanes follows with a mythological tale, describing how humans were once whole but split in two by the gods, making love a quest for one's lost half. His speech presents love as a deep yearning for completion. Then, Agathon, a young poet, praises love as the most beautiful and virtuous of all gods, emphasizing its power to inspire creativity and goodness. Socrates, drawing from his mentor Diotima, challenges these views and introduces a higher understanding of love. He argues that love is not merely about beauty or desire, but a journey from physical attraction to intellectual and spiritual enlightenment. The ultimate form of love, according to Socrates, is the love of wisdom and truth, leading one toward the contemplation of the eternal and the divine. This idea introduces what is now known as Platonic love, a love that transcends the physical and seeks truth and knowledge. The dialogue takes a dramatic turn when Alcibiades, a charismatic yet flawed statesman, arrives drunk and shifts the discussion by praising Socrates himself. He recounts how Socrates' wisdom and self-discipline make him unlike any other man, portraying him as the ultimate lover of wisdom rather than a pursuer of physical pleasure. Alcibiades' presence adds a real-world contrast to the abstract ideals discussed earlier, highlighting the gap between philosophical ideals and human weaknesses. In the end, the symposium explores love from multiple dimensions: physical, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual, showing that love is not just about desire, but a path toward self-improvement and enlightenment. The dialogue presents love as the driving force behind personal and philosophical growth, making it a cornerstone of human existence. Life lessons from the symposium: love as a path to growth. Love is not just about physical attraction, but a journey toward wisdom, virtue, and self-improvement. True love encourages personal growth and helps individuals strive for higher ideals. The importance of intellectual connection. Socrates teaches that the highest form of love is not based on beauty or passion, but on intellectual and spiritual connection. Deep conversations and shared knowledge create the strongest and most lasting bonds. The search for wholeness. Aristophanes' myth suggests that love is about finding our missing half, but in a deeper sense, it represents the human desire for completeness, whether through relationships, personal growth, or the pursuit of meaning. True love is selfless. Love is not about possession or control, but about wanting the best for another person. It should be rooted in admiration for their virtues and a desire to help them grow, rather than selfish desires. Philosophy and love are intertwined. Socrates' speech reveals that love and philosophy are deeply connected. The highest form of love is not just about loving a person, but about loving wisdom and the pursuit of truth, leading to a more enlightened life.